Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Do you want to earn some extra cash on the side without breaking the bank? Well, you're in luck. Today, I'm going to share with you 5 side hustles that you can start for under $100. Let's jump right into it. First up, dog walking. If you love animals and don't mind getting a little exercise, then dog walking could be the perfect side hustle for you. You can start by advertising your services on social media or in your local neighborhood. All you need is a leash, some poop bags, and maybe a few treats to get started. And the best part? You can charge anywhere from $15 to $30 per walk. Next, meal prep services. If you love cooking and are good at planning meals, then you can start a meal prep service. You can advertise your services on social media or in your local community groups. All you need is some basic kitchen equipment and ingredients, and you can charge anywhere from $7 to $12 per meal. Third, freelance writing. If you love to write, then freelance writing could be the perfect side hustle for you. You can find freelance writing gigs on websites like Upwork or Fiverr, and all you need is a laptop and an internet connection. You can charge anywhere from 5 cents to 10 cents per word. Fourth, ride-sharing services. If you have a car and some free time, then ride-sharing services like Uber or Lyft could be a great way to earn some extra cash. All you need is a clean driving record and a smartphone. You can make anywhere from $15 to $25 per hour. Host. Finally, photography. If you have a good eye for photography, then you can start selling your photos on websites like Shutterstock or iStock. All you need is a camera and some basic photography skills. You can earn anywhere from 25 cents to 50 cents per download. So there you have it, 5 side hustles you can start for under $100. Which one are you going to try? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more money-making tips and tricks. See you in the next one.